Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. Hello, everyone. Today, my major project review salary prediction of an employee on the basis of experience using machine learning. My teammate named Saurabh Kumar and Chitranjan Kumar, myself Mani Nayak, and I will explain properly to one by one topic and explanation. So today, I am now explaining in, introduction about salary prediction of an employee on the basis of expression using machine learning. So my introduction like that. A prediction is an assumption about a future event, and prediction is just sometimes true, not always is based upon a knowledge or AI experience. Future events are not necessarily certain, thus a confirmed exact data about the future in many cases are impossible. Prediction may be useful to help in preparing plan about probable development in this project salary of an employee organization. This is a sort for information about our project, and second things of aim of the project to predict the salary of an employee of the basis of experience using machine learning data set also required for applying linear regression. After applying a machine learning algorithm, we can find salary of employee based. And second point like that, project domain and scope of the project, and after that the methodology. That means the waterfall model was a first process model to be introduced. It is also referred to a linear sequential life cycle model. It is a very simple to understand and use in a waterfall model. Each phases must be completed fully before next phase can be begin. This model basically used for the project. This is a small and there are no uncertain requirement. And the second point like that, module 1, module 2, and module 3 and module 4 like that. So this is just short information about introduction. And second things, literature review. So how exactly to companies, especially those mass requiring multinational corporation, determining salaries of thousands of new people like that. So again, my friend, we will discuss Chitranjan. So all things we will explain. Chitranjan, tell.
Yeah, design and methodology. Yeah, architecture diagram. It will have collection of data. We will collect some data. Then we will test the data. Then train the machine learning algorithm. We will take one model. Again, we will input data by applying machine learning algorithm. We will predict the salary. That will be our output. Second page.
Basically our project based on machine learning algorithm. First we have to collect data, then pre-process the data, then apply machine learning, and yes, and last if you will enter input valid input, then it will predict final salary for an employee using machine learning algorithm. Now I am going to explain my code. Code. These are our code. Okay, which I am going to explain. Yes. This is the code for table creation, and one more. This is our table, which means whole data, means fixed data, which on which we are going to apply machine learning algorithm, and and this one is our main code. This is this one is our final code, which finally calculate the salary of an employee on the basis of experience and degree. Now I am going to run this code. Yes, if we enter here input like experience in year like 2, if you enter here uh, degree of particular employee, then it will calculate final salary. Now I'm going to calculate, put on this is the salary of an particular employee on the basis of his experience and their degree. It is 54,637.10 rupees. Yeah, this is our project